You call the nature her. I have seen that in Thus Speaks, the little booklet. You call the nature her.
Her. Nature her?
Yes.
What
do you mean by it?
As God, always you call God him.
Achha.
You call nature her.
Using the word female for nature. Feminine for nature.
God is always described as masculine. So can we call nature a feminine? Her.
Well,
She. Use the word she for nature.
Nature, her is also used in English, and it is also used. Both are correct.
Yeah.
Which is right, that I cannot say. Both things are used.
Maybe women live
Nature is really manifestation.
God, she.
Nature, to my mind, is manifestation of God. It is not a real God. But I use this word for God also. I use this word for God also. Nature. Really, it is manifestation. It is my idea.
God and nature is the same thing?
Well, I use sometimes nature in that word. I might have written with capital, I don't know.
But when you talk about the nature as a manifestation of God, then you call it her.
Her, yeah, anything you call it will be right.
Yeah.
Really, we want a man who may give us method for the achievement, that's all. All of you know, these are the bad things, these are good things, everybody knows. But the method which may take up to the good things, that we require. Never mind if anybody of any place may give that. Some method.